Hi guys, what is up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload background in Scratch. The first thing you need to do is log into your Scratch by typing scratch.mit.edu in your browser. Click on Create, a new page will pop up. Now move your cursor on the lower right part of your screen. On the picture button, click on the Upload a Backdrop. Now add a picture that you want to upload as a backdrop. For me, I'm going to choose this picture. As you can see, the picture that I have uploaded is currently in use. If you don't want to upload a picture, Scratch has lots of preset backdrops, which is available in the Choose a Backdrop option. And that is all on how to upload a background in Scratch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated in this channel.